Hello friends, welcome to today's video on PM CARES, Prime Minister's Citizen Assistance and Relief in Emergency Situations Fund. What is PM CARES Fund? It is a public charitable trust. It is established for dealing with public health emergencies including COVID-19 and for the following objectives: to provide for healthcare facilities, necessary infrastructure, research or any other type of support, to provide financial assistance, to undertake any other related activity. Who are the trustees of the PM CARES Fund? The Prime Minister is the chairman of the PM CARES Fund. Trustees are Defence Minister, Minister of Home Affairs, Minister of Finance. 3 eminent persons nominated by the PM as trustees. It is to be noted that all appointed trustees shall work without any pay. Will the PM CARES Fund be audited? Yes, it will be audited by a qualified independent auditor or auditors appointed by the trustees. The Comptroller and Auditor General will not audit since PM CARES is a charitable trust with donations from the public. CAG audits government bodies and government financed entities. Similar treatment exists for PM-NRF. What is the difference between the previously existing PM National Relief Fund and PM CARES Fund? PM-NRF's objective is to provide immediate relief to families of those killed in natural calamities like floods, cyclones and earthquakes, etc. While PM CARES' objective is to provide relief for public health emergency or any other kind of emergency. PM-NRF is headed by Prime Minister, while in PM CARES, Prime Minister is the chairman and other ministers and nominated persons are trustees. The donation amount in PM-NRF is ₹100 as the minimum limit, while in PM CARES it's ₹1. Can an RTI application be filed for information on the fund? Since structurally both PM-NRF and PM CARES Fund are similar and RTI is not applicable on the PM-NRF as of today, it may be inferred that RTI is not applicable on PM CARES Fund also. However, a case regarding applicability of RTI on PM-NRF is pending in the Delhi High Court. No RTI can be filed for information on PM-NRF as of today, as it is in dispute whether it is a public authority under the RTI Act or not. What are the benefits to donations in the PM CARES Fund? The full donated amount shall be available for deduction from the taxable income under Section 80G of the Income Tax Act, meaning income tax shall be payable on the income after such deduction. The limit, which is usually applicable on donations of 10% of total gross income, is not applicable on donations made to the PM CARES Fund. Funds transferred to PM CARES shall qualify as corporate social responsibility expenditure, which certain companies have to mandatory give out of their profits for the year. Similar benefits exist for PM-NRF. Please note to donate only from official government websites, as many frauds are taking place. These are the sources from where this particular information on PM CARES has been compiled from. Follow Saral Law on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube for more such information. Thank you.